everyone. So this is my official unboxing video from Influenster. I just got this in the mail today, so let's take a peek and see what's inside. Oh my gosh! I have received the Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare VoxBox by Influenster, completely free for reviewing purposes, and I am so stoked to try these products. So I've got 3 products here. I've got a Peptide Lift and Firm Moisturizer, a Wrinkle Resist Serum, and an amino acid exfoliating peel pads with peptides. I am so pumped. I'm really excited to try the Peptide 21 collection, and make sure to check back for my official review video, and I will let you know what I think about these products. Thanks for watching my official unboxing video for Influenster. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. See you next time.